Can we skip to the good part? No.
Tell me why!
Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.
Before anything else, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you'll be updated. I live most of my life in the Philippines, and the year-round weather is characterized by high temperatures and a high level of humidity. So when I was told that a typical summer here in Toronto lasts for at least 3.5 months, I made sure that I have a planned activity every weekend. Kailangan sulit na sulit yung summer dito. And for today's video, I'll bring you to Scarborough Bluffs. It's located in Scarborough, which is very far from my place. So to have a head start, I am taking the subway, going to Queen Street, then streetcar, and start my ride at Woodbine Park. Medyo bago pa lang ako dito kaya wala pang kotse, kaya tiis-tiis muna sa pag-commute. Astig yung mga streetcar nila dito kasi may area na nakaset aside para lagyan mo ng bike. This is the Woodbine Beach. If you've been keeping up with my channel, it's the same beach that I visited early this year. If you haven't watched it, just click the link and top right of your screen. This is my first time in this area, and according to Google Maps, I just ride straight through Kingston Road and nandun na rin yung Bluffs. Hopefully di maligaw. At yun na nga ang sinasabi ko, naligaw at lumagpas ako sa train na hinahanap ko kanina. Anyway, kailangan ko lang bumalik sa main road para hanapin yung train. I guess this is the path going to the Bluffs. Medyo mukhang hindi trail pero baka ito na yan kasi tanaw ko na yung Lake Ontario. Scarborough Bluffs are exceptionally beautiful and well worth the travel. There's an amazing view of Lake Ontario beside the trail. Who would have thought that a piece of paradise exists here in Toronto? It's very scenic and great for a walk. By the way, this is just one side of this monumental bluffs. The other side is Scarborough Bluffs Park, which seems to be busier. There aren't hardly any people here, making it more relaxing. Wala lang shed, kaya ramdam mo yung init. So, make sure to bring a bottle of water with you. Grabe, napakalinaw ng tubig. Halos kita mo na yung ilalim. Ang sarap siguro magkayak dito. I'll probably be back here again this fall and we'll check out the park next time. Alright, I guess that will be all for today. And as usual, inabutan na naman ng gutom. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next episode. Peace!